Hi, I'm Dave Buneman, CEO of County Credit Union in Clayton, Missouri. Before we start the topic of the day, I'd like to answer the question, who is County Credit Union, or as we know it, CCU? We are a member-owned financial institution providing modern financial products, services, and solutions to enrich our members' lives. We are a small local financial institution with 6 employees located in Clayton, Missouri. We don't have a CEO making 200 times more than the average employee. We don't even have a drive up at our branch. Our board of directors and our committee members are all volunteers who watch out for the best interest of our member owners. We are not a giant bank or credit union, but we have services like one. When you call us, you are calling members of the credit union just like you. We want you to know that our world has changed too. The things we have seen, the things we have felt, changes in the economy, health, and employment will be fundamental to our new normal. One thing that will not change is that we do not accept injustice and racism. We remain steadfast in our purpose, not for profit, not for charity, but for service. We are looking for ways to serve the underserved in our community. We want to be central to their success. Not everyone can be a member of CCU, but contact us and let us see if we can help you. Today's subject, navigating car purchasing and refinancing in a COVID and virtual market. Gone are the days of drive it in or tow it in and we'll give you $3,000 on your trade. Now you get marketing for online car buying from your car insurance company, Car Gurus, TrueCar, Carvana, and CarMax. With auto prices well over $30,000 and a payment over $425, now more than ever, you need to know how to buy. So let's start with a few things we all should remember. Many internet sites are run by dealers or groups of dealers. Convenience isn't cheap, it can cost you more. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, and a fool and his money are soon parted. The homework you need to do in order to be an educated buyer is important. First, know your budget. How much car can you get for the amount of payment that fits into your monthly budget and still allows you to save? Choose the type of car, truck, or van that meets your needs and safety requirements. Is it reliable? Is it economic to own? Even in this pandemic, I think it's important that you still test drive any car you're thinking of buying. Is this a car you really want to own and drive for the next 5, 6, 7 years? If the car is right, but the color is wrong, it may be up to you to search the internet to find the right color. Check to see what others are paying for the same vehicle to be sure you're getting a fair price, and then, if you're buying through a dealer, email them a request for a price quote. Be sure to keep emotion out of the negotiation and know your numbers. Trade-ins can be difficult, but making a mistake here can cost you money. Know the value of the car and remember to look at the trade-in value as well as the retail value, as these are important in your negotiations. If you're doing this through email or phone and are satisfied, ask to have the car delivered and the papers signed at your residence. E-signing may also be an option, but be aware there may be other costs on your buyer's contract, so it's important to review this before conclusion of any deal. Many fees and warranties are negotiable, but you'll need to ask. So let's summarize. You can calculate your monthly payment to see if it fits in your budget, and you can do that on many websites like ours at countycu.org. You'll need to know the amount you want to finance, the years you want to pay, and the approximate interest rate. To figure out what the interest rate might be, you'll need to have some idea on how your credit looks. Better credit, lower rate, more affordable. Once you have an amount you can afford, it's on to the next step. Finding the car you want and to be able to still save money for emergencies or a rainy day. The difference between a monthly payment on a $45,000 vehicle and a $20,000 vehicle is basically enough to max out an IRA contribution for an entire year. And a new vehicle depreciates the minute you drive it off the lot, while your retirement savings grow over the long term. The difference between the payment on a new $70,000 truck and a used $20,000 truck could be huge. Driving in an expensive car is one of the biggest things people can do to pull free money to be able to invest in their future. Email or phone the dealer, ask for a test drive. Check to see what others are paying to use the internet to research. Email the dealer for a price quote and negotiate your best deal. If you have a trade-in, be sure the dealer knows and that you know what your car is worth. Review the buyer's order before finalizing the deal. Check fees and add-ons and negotiate them if possible. If you're doing this through email or phone and are satisfied, ask to have the car delivered. County Credit Union uses credit union lending systems to allow members to sign loan papers at the dealer or in your driveway. E-signing your car loan documents are also an option at County Credit Union. Lastly, if you're looking to buy new, used, or refinance your existing car loan, then there is never a bad time to call County Credit Union. In October, we have lowered our car interest rates again and have a match your first payment up to $350 promotion that could be our present to you for the holidays. Contact us for details or apply through our website, countycu.org, to start the process of saving your money. County Credit Union, large enough to have the products you deserve and want, but small enough to care about your financial success.